Good kayong weather. Nawala ang snow. I'm so happy. Kahilakon kung kita ni ba? Nawala ang snow. Alright, so the snow is gone and it's sunny today. You have no idea how happy I am seeing this view outside. But I know this won't be long. So I was just like thinking like few days ago or yesterday na munta na isa ka adlaw nga mawala ang snow. Tapos mag-init muna, nakadjud sa gadget lang. And like today it happened.